Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can add tags on your YouTube video to rank in search in 2021 on iPhone or iPad. So the first thing that you'd want to do, you'd want to open up YouTube Studio, and you must have the app. You don't have to have the app downloaded. You can just go to studio. You can just go to studio.youtube.com and you can do the exact same thing. So I'm gonna go to YouTube Studio, and then I'm gonna look for that video that I want to add some tags on. So I'm gonna tap on this video, and then I'm gonna tap on the pencil icon up in the top right hand corner. So now that I've tapped on the pencil icon up in the top right hand corner, what I'm basically going to do, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see this thing here. So right here it has the pencil icon where you can add your description, and above that you have your title. Below the description you have whether you want the video to be public, private, unlisted, or yeah, and you can select if the video is not made for kids and all of it and whatnot. So basically what we are here for is I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos. So what you want to do, you want to go and tap on where it says add tags, and now you want to just add some random tags. Make sure that it is a powerful, make sure that is some keywords that can make your video eligible to rank in search. So what you want to type in is things that keywords that basically describe your video, and that will automatically rank your video in search. So I'm going to type in YouTube and make sure you add a space. So if you're on an iPhone, you want to tap on return to add that space, and if you are on Android, you would just tap on enter. So I'm going to tap on return, and as you can see, it adds that tag in. If I tap on views, if I type in views and tap on return, yeah, as you can see, the tags are being entered. So this is exactly how you add tags via the YouTube application. If you want to add tags the different way, I'm going to show you how you can add that. So you can click on save, and the tags would automatically be on your video. So I'm not going to click save because I already have some tags there, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to exit out of that. And this is the second way on how you can add tags to your YouTube videos, because I know that people normally would have, say that is not working for them. How do you do it via the studio on the website? So basically what you want to do, you want to tap on YouTube, Safari, and then you want to type in the search bar, you want to type in studio.youtube.com. And now that you're in YouTube Studio, basically what you want to do, as I said, is the exact same process. So what you want to do, you want to tap on the video icon right here, content, as you can see, just tap on it and select the video here. So just tap on the video, and then you want to tap on the pencil icon right there. And now it's the exact same thing, What you want to do, just scroll down, and you want to tap on where it says show more, and as you can see, it shows all of these things here. So this is exactly where you want to add here. Now as you can see, YouTube says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled, or otherwise tags play a minimal role in helping your viewers find your video. So this is not necessarily gonna help gain the views, but it will definitely help rank your videos in search results if anything is misspelled in your title or description. So as I said, you can just type in views, tap on return if you're on iOS, and tap on enter if you're on Android. views, YouTube, return. As you can see, the tags are being entered, and basically what you want to do, you want to tap on save, and if you want to undo your changes and change your tags up, just tap on undo changes. So if you want to save those tags, just tap on save, and your tags will be added to your video. Without further ado, I would like to wrap up this video by saying hit that like button if you are if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, and also comment down below, because I will really appreciate your feedback, and I will really want to know what is your take on this video. And also share this video with anyone that may be having this exact problem, or maybe don't know how to go around adding tags on their YouTube videos. So please share the video so that it can gain more views and more traction. And I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already joined my Discord as well, please do so by going into the description and tapping on the link, and just join my Discord. I would really love to have you there, because that way we can communicate better. I can help you better, and I can solve your problems quicker. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.